Now let's talk about one of the most important issues for Americans when it comes to cost health care. Last night, Donald Trump offered exactly 0 solutions for how we're going to lower Americans' health care premiums. He kept blaming Democrats. He kept saying the health care crisis is not his fault. But here are the facts. Immutable facts, Donald Trump. No amount of finger pointing, lying, hyping it up, patting yourself on the back is going to undo the fact that the American people are going to pay a lot more for health care come January 1st. Because on January 1st, the ACA enhanced premium tax credits are going to expire because Donald Trump chose to let them die. Even our Republican colleagues have told us time and time again, if Trump would do something here and support an extension of the tax credits, as we Democrats are fighting for, then maybe they'd be able to do something, but he doesn't. And now, tens of millions are going to see their insurance premiums double on average. 4 million people will lose insurance because Donald Trump let it happen. And he's there sitting in front of the TV camera, patting himself on the back. Unbelievable. Millions more with private insurance will see their premiums go up because Donald Trump let it happen. Emergency rooms are going to be even more overrun. People are going to be kicked out of nursing homes. Rural hospitals will close. And there's Donald Trump congratulating himself on how great he is. And look, because of Republican total inaction on health care, huge damage has already been done. And nothing we do after January 1st can undo so much of that damage. As I've said before, the toothpaste is out of the tube. However you want to say it, the point is this. Because of Republicans, it is now impossible, sadly, to prevent people from having to pay hundreds, if not thousands, more on their premiums next year. It's going to start January 1st. Even if we can figure out a way to stop the bleeding next year, that's a very big if. Republicans are still in shambles and have no plan themselves. For too many people, it's going to be too late because Republicans chose to let these ACA tax credits expire. They had an easy opportunity to join us in our 3-year clean extension of the ACA credits, and they refused. Well, Americans heard none of what they wanted to hear last night during Trump's speech. Nothing about how he'll lower premiums, nothing about how he'll lower their costs of living, nothing about how Republicans could have fixed this crisis but didn't.